This is another website where you start making money by clicking ads on starclicks.com. I want to show you real quick on how StarClicks works. This one is how to make money online. You'll be paid through PayPal, and what is your basic activity here? It's only to click on ads and refer guys, and you'll be paid a lot of money. This one is StarClicks review, the Kenyan version on how to make money online every day when the ads will be changing. I want to take you through about all the steps on how to sign up, when are you supposed to do, what are you supposed to do on these StarClicks, and you start making money. All right, now stick with me until the end of this video. And if you want to make a lot of money, if you are someone who is looking for a permanent way on how to make money online, then stick to this video until the end. I'll be explaining to you some of the things that I do online for you to get money online. Permanent solutions, that is it. So stay here and watch this video to the end and subscribe, because if you subscribe, you'll get to know the notification, and whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first one to get it. Now we want to see how to sign up. I'll show you a little bit to how to sign up. Now it doesn't require a lot of things. What you need is only your email address and then your password. Now assuming we get to the new site where we need to sign up, let me show you. When signing up, you need to put your personal information. You first of all put your first name, and then enter your last name, your date of birth, then your home postal address, your city. And remember, this is all worldwide, and you don't have to worry about anywhere in the world in your location. You have to sign up, and then put your country, you enter your zip code, and then your phone number as the one you have at your home, you starting with your code, then even on this part 2, and then number 3, the last part, you have to put your email address, confirm your password again, and then you'll have to answer some security question in case you forget your password, and then you put here how did you find us, and then on the referral code, I want you to put the code that you see on your screen. If you have a referral ID, enter it here. The referral ID, the one you see on your screen, it's the code, and then make sure you type in the code correctly and then confirm this. Make sure you check the button here, confirm this, as then click the register button, then you'll have sign up. Confirm with your email address. They will send a link to your email address for you to confirm your account. Then when you log in, let's go back. After you log in, you'll find your dashboard on the silver publisher account. That is it. And then you down here, I want you to use these links as your referral links, and then sign up. This one will help me to get some little cash on me. So my account, this publisher account, it's the lowest account. Okay, this is the lowest, and then you can have, like, take for example, let's look at the overview of what this is called. What happens here is you only click advertisements and then get paid some little coins in dollars. So this is my account. It's today's work. I've done that. So it's a pay-per-click advertisements. When this is how it works, then mobile verification, you can do that. So every day they will give you some adverts which you'll click on them. Then when you're clicking on the ads, you'll come here where there is a sign of $1, then click there. You see, now you'll find that the advertisements will refresh every day. So you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 every day, 11 every day. And then whenever you click them until it opens up, then you go back again and open all of them, you'll find your cash now growing up. Your cash will go up every day. This is something you'll do every day for you to get money. You can check your inbox in case there is any communication. And then on the second part, not this one, the settings, you can look at the settings. Let me look at the settings. how the settings are. Manage your name, your email address in case you want to change your account, your name and your email address. You need to change it. Remember, this is a PayPal email address used for payments. And then if you are not in US, you can change here and then save changes. So all that is here. And then we have some icon here for alerts. So if you have any alerts, you'll get them here. Then payment account, I want to show you how payments are done. These ones, you see, now the minimum amount you need to withdraw is $50. So that's about $50 you'll withdraw. Then you have to choose your payment. Mine, I've chosen from PayPal because PayPal is what I use most. You see, so you did not provide your PayPal email address. Please go to your profile settings and enter your PayPal email address. Okay, I'll do that. Then after you do that, you can transfer amount when it's above $50. Okay, now we shall go to our settings, your profile, and change the email address. We need to put the email address for payment settings. So you can change payment settings. Let me check payment settings. Manage your name, email address and mobile numbers, and then primary email address. Let me see, I think I have the email address here. Let me just try to change it and see what's all about. Edit. Okay, I'll do that later. Let me see. Then there are notifications. In case you have any notifications received, you will find them here, and then you can choose on which type of notification need. If it's through bank account, you can put your account here and then receive money back in your account. Then you can change the profile. I think mine is just okay. Then we have also the verification through messages. If you want to verify through your message and you want this to work, you put your email address and then confirm this, and then they'll send a notification on your phone, and then you'll input here this the code and then verify. They'll verify your email, your phone number. If you need any problem, if you have any problem, you can click on the support, submit your request, then write to them what is your problem you're facing on that. And then you can invite guys. You see, you can invite people by putting their email address here. And then emails for the friend email include message. It's optional. Enter then her name or his name, and then you can the referral code. They are here, all the referrals. If you feel like you want to join, you can share this on your social media, on all platforms of social media. If one wants to sign in referral link number 1, you can use referral link number 2 as a default. All these are all connected to my account. As you can see, the last digit, it's 6738, 6738. So all these are routed towards my account, where I'll start making money through that, okay, through referral links. Then there is also an HTML code. If you have a website and you want to code all these, this is how it's done. Oh, it's not the access HTML code, account, gold, membership, platinum. So this one is also accepted, but only by gold and platinum membership. On the silver platform, you cannot do that. Then you can also upgrade if you want to make more money. Now, if you want to make more money, you can upgrade to platinum or membership and gold membership by paying an amount of, this one is free. We are now yet working on this silver level, but we have the popular level, which is gold. You unlock your account where you'll be paid 0.01 per click, and at the same time you get higher referral payments like second level and third level. But this one you can upgrade by paying $19. That's 1,900 shillings, Kenyan shillings, or 2,000, let me say. So then the platinum one is $49, that's 4,900. Then to see exchange rates, and please visit this, you can see the exchange rate there for you to see how it works. And then want to look at top members and what people say about this. Then you can still log out if you have done. You're done. Now every day StarClicks will give you 10 ads. You check them every day, and then these are people who have worked with StarClicks for so long and they are earning a lot of money. Now we want to see, let me go back and see. Now if you want to start now working every day on StarClicks by only clicking ads, is you come on the silver button, you click on the pay per click ads. You see there is an 11 number on top of it, which means I have some ads to do. So what you do, you click here. When it loads up, when the website loads up, that is it. You'll be done with that. And then what you do, you just close this window. You close the window, and then you click again another one. You just watch this by clicking and closing the windows. There's nothing else you can do. There's nothing else you can do. You only click on the window, and then on the website, after it has loaded up, and then you close it. You don't have to do anything. So you only click and then it opens up. You click and then it opens up. Then when it fully loaded, you only close it. Then you close this window. You will have done your work every day. So that's how StarClicks works. So I'll still do this because it's my day. After 24 hours, I'll do this. You see, I'm just opening this website and then closing them up. Opening websites and then closing up. Whenever the site is fully loaded, you'll close up and then open another one. Then you close it, then open this one, I'll show you how it's changing how Bobby's 60, I don't know what it is. Doesn't matter. For me, my worry is only to receive my amount. That is it. I can check on the profile, I think overview, to see what has changed. Now you see here, initially we had 11, now we are at 14. Then completed task per day, completed daily, I'm yet to finish. Then when I finish up, I'll have to get my money. Now let's continue. You are at 14. Now let's finish up all this, and then we call it a day. Until tomorrow is when we'll receive more ads again.